Welcome all of you to Larseo channel. Today I will show you how to use keyword clustering in Larseo to group keywords. In the last session, we conducted a keyword analysis for best sound card for asterisk and obtained hundreds of keyword suggestions. With a list of hundreds of keywords, writing separate articles for each keyword is not an efficient approach, as it can result in keyword cannibalization. For example, the keywords best sound card for recording and best audio card for recording are different in terms of wording but similar in meaning. Their search intent and audience target are the same. Hence, it's more practical to write a single article that covers both keywords. But how to group similar keywords? The keyword clustering tool will help you find keywords with similar search intent and put them into one group. Keyword clustering is an SEO technique of grouping similar target keywords into clusters for assigning them to different pages of a website. The aim is to improve the website's search engine rankings by spreading the keywords across the pages in an organized manner. Here are some benefits of the clustering keyword. Your content will rank for multiple keywords. You will get more traffic. You can have a better understanding of user search intent. Content will deliver more helpful information. Increase the chances of ranking for long-tailed keywords. Reduce the risk of keyword cannibalization. Now let's see how keyword clustering in Larseo works. First, select all the keywords in the list which you want to cluster. Then, from the Other Action drop-down, click on the Cluster Keyword action. Larseo will display two methods of keyword clustering for you to choose: SERP clustering and semantic clustering. With SERP clustering, Larseo will cluster your keywords by analyzing the search engine results pages. If two keywords have more than 4 common URLs on SERP, they are grouped as a cluster. You can adjust the number of common URLs to fit your preferences, such as changing it from the default of 4 to 3, 7, or even 8. The larger the number chosen, the more relevant the keywords in the cluster will be. The second method is semantic clustering. This method has more settings for you to customize, including the language model, cluster size, or thresholds of the keywords in each cluster. With this method, Larseo will use natural language processing to group your keywords. Unlike SERP clustering, semantic clustering does not take into consideration user search intent on Google. Semantic clustering takes less time as it only uses NLP to group keywords based on their meaning. It's ideal for large-scale clustering tasks like grouping 50,000 keywords on various topics. However, it cannot determine user search intent. On the other hand, SERP clustering has to check individually each keyword on Google, one by one, so it takes more time than semantic clustering. That's also the reason the cost of SERP clustering is higher, 0.5 credit per keyword compared to 0.25 credit per keyword of semantic clustering. The advantage of SERP clustering is it can leverage Google's algorithm to determine the user search intent. As a result, SERP clustering is more accurate. Let's try SERP clustering for these 455 keywords with similar results on SERP set to 4. Now Larseo is scraping the SERPs. If two keywords share more than 4 competitors, Larseo will group them into one cluster. Here are the results of the test. I clustered 455 keywords and Larseo grouped them into 43 clusters containing 362 keywords. It means 93 keywords cannot be clustered in my list. Let's check the clusters out. Basically, you can write one article for one cluster. For example, you can write one article based on this cluster, Best Sound Card External, which contains 20 keywords, making it easier to target all related searches with a single piece of content. Larseo also provides the user search intent, indicated in blue text, giving you a clear understanding of the search intent behind each group of keywords, and allowing you to assign the appropriate content to each page on your website. In this case, the search intent is to find the best USB sound card for various purposes such as gaming, PS5, laptop, etc. The cluster name is determined by using the keyword that has the most search volume in the cluster. By clicking on the eye icon, you can filter, sort, or even analyze keywords to explore which keywords have weak pages. These keywords should be focused more when writing your content. Another example is best sound card for live streaming. Here we can see what is the best sound card for live streaming, best external sound card for live streaming, best sound card for DJ streaming, so on and so forth. With 43 clusters, theoretically, you can write 43 articles. You can easily export the clusters into an Excel file for further analysis and organization. The export includes information such as the parent keyword, total search volume, cluster size, and other important indicators. However, this is a more advanced feature, so I will share it with you in another video. One last thing I would like to show you before ending this video. When selecting the SERP clustering, you will see a field called Rank Checking Domain. If you enter your domain here, Larseo will check the ranking of your domain against the keywords you are going to cluster. By identifying clusters with low or no ranking, you can easily pinpoint content gaps quickly. Let's see it in action. I enter an example domain here, venturebeat.com, and keep other settings as default, then click the Cluster Keywords button. Larseo clustered all selected keywords as normal, but one different thing is each cluster now has 3 new fields. Ranked Keywords shows you how many keywords in this cluster that your website is ranking for. URLs field shows you how many URLs or pages of your website are ranking. The last one is average position, which shows you how well your ranking is. From there, you can decide whether optimize your content to make it rank better. For example, with this cluster, best sound card for PC, the average rank is only 22.12. You should make your URL that ranks well even more specific to the cluster it already ranks for. You can even click the eye icon to see the rank of each keyword. You can also use the Only Not Ranked Clusters filter to extract all clusters that you are not ranked. Based on the search intent, you can create new content targeting the whole cluster. There are a lot of use cases for this feature. Let's try it on your website. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you will find it useful. Good luck and see you in the next video.